At IndishTech, we help companies evolve with digital twin-based transformation. Every business is looking for ways to improvise. The opportunity to do better is hidden. To achieve this at IndishTech, we have a team of subject matter experts who come from varied industries like mechanical, uh, robotics, automation, and IT. To bring the best value through our engagements, we are partnered with global leaders like Siemens, Movella, 3D Connection, and Atoll. With a team of over 100 tech-savvy colleagues, we are segmented into 5 practices, which is product design and validation, digital manufacturing, digital factory, industrial IoT, and finally the product lifecycle management. Through these practices, we engage with customers in aerospace and defense, automotive, manufacturing, food and beverages, high-tech and consumer goods, and also with new age technologies like battery, electric vehicle, and renewable energies. What sets us apart from the rest is the right people with the right mindset helping our customers realize process, productivity, and profitability.